If your skin looks dull, or when you wake up in the morning, you have puffy face, your under eyes look tired, or that jawline is getting softer, and you are feeling that your skin is aging faster than you are, then today's video is for you, because what you're seeing in the mirror might not be simple skin aging, and it is inflammation in your body which is causing your skin to age faster and look dull. And inflammation can actually make your skin look older in three different ways. First, this inflammation damages collagen. Collagen is a protein which gives your skin the elasticity as well as the glowness. And by damaging your collagen, it makes it look dull and stiff. Second, inflammation causes bloating and water retention, which makes your face look puffy and swollen. And the third way is that inflammation causes something called glycation, which is attaching sugar molecules to collagen and making it completely useless, so your skin cannot utilize that collagen protein. So before you spend hundreds of dollars on those expensive anti-aging treatments or facial serums or creams, you need to ask this question: is your skin really aging, or is it the underlying inflammation which is the real reason of your aging skin? And more importantly, as inflammation is the main driving factor of damaging your skin, then the solution is not just outside on the skin, but the real solution of improving your skin starts inside your body. But this is where today I am sharing with you a simple but effective 5-day anti-inflammatory skin reset that is going to exactly tell you what you need to do in the next 5 days to stop the aging of your skin and get that glowing skin. And this protocol is not based on any expensive supplements or treatments. It is simple natural science, which consists of including foods which are going to stop this skin inflammation, and basic lifestyle changes, which not only is going to improve your skin, but your overall health also. Make sure you stay till the end, because you want to know the complete 5-day protocol and how to follow it exactly so you get the best results possible. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. So let's get started from day one. On day one, I want you to eat for glow. And what that means is that you need to focus on these 4 different colorful foods. Now, what most people don't know is that every specific color that a food has is a different antioxidant which reduces inflammation in your body in a different way, and certain foods over here supports your skin health immensely. So the 4 color foods you need to start eating from day one is: number 1, red color foods. This red color has antioxidants called lycopenes and polyphenols, which safeguards your skin against any environmental damage, specifically from sun and air pollution. So for that, you can either choose tomatoes, strawberries, red bell peppers, or pomegranate. The second is orange for carotenoids. These foods supports your skin tone so you have a natural glow. So either you can choose from carrots, oranges, orange bell pepper, or pumpkins. The third is purple color food for the anthocyanin compounds. Anthocyanin compounds are one of the most anti-inflammatory foods for skin because they directly lower inflammation in your skin. For that, you can either eat blueberries, beetroots, or purple cabbage. The fourth color is green. The green is for detoxification. Your skin accumulates several toxins, and these green color foods eliminate these toxins from your skin. So either you can choose from spinach, kale, cilantro, or broccoli over here. So starting day one, let's include these 4 colorful foods each and every day, so you start reducing inflammation and support your skin health from day one itself. Let's move to day 2. Day 2 is all about improving circulation, lymphatic flow, and reducing puffiness on your skin. For that, the best way of doing it is in the morning you do a cold face immersion. What that means is that you take a big bowl of water and add some ice to it so it becomes really cold. This is similar to what a lot of people are doing as cold plunges. And dip your face into this cold water for at least 10 to 15 seconds. And then you come up, take a deep breath, and you go again. Try to repeat this cycle for at least 3 to 5 times. After doing this, you are going to instantly see a tightening effect on your skin, as well as puffiness on your face will also go down, and you will see a natural sign. What this is doing is that actually improving the blood circulation to your skin. So you get the healing compounds and minerals to your skin. Plus it activates your nervous system and your lymphatic flow to your skin. So day 2 is all about improving your circulation to your face. So do this cold face immersion in the morning. Now let's move to day 3. Day 3 is all about removing the foods which are actually causing inflammation and damaging your skin. Because if you don't stop the food which are actually damaging your body and damaging your skin, you are not going to see the maximum benefit. The top foods over here are processed foods, specifically foods which are fried foods. So completely give them up. Second foods over here are high sugary foods and high sugary drinks. Again, sugar causes too much inflammation in your gut, and that inflammation in your gut directly damages your skin. So completely avoid high sugary foods. And the next thing to do is that completely avoid alcohol. Just pause this alcohol for 1 week. Alcohol dehydrates your skin, messes up with your sleep cycle, as well as puts pressure on your liver also, and thereby worsening your skin inflammation. So day 3 is all about removing the bad food, which includes the processed food, high sugary food, alcohol. Now let's move to day 4. Day 4 is rebuilding your collagen support for your skin. Now collagen is the most abundant protein on your skin. And research shows after the age of 30, we start producing less amount of collagen. So we need extra support through food so we can keep on getting collagen so our skin health looks good. For that, first of all, you need to make sure that you are eating protein with each and every meal of yours. Because the amino acids from those protein is going to improve your collagen production. So either you can eat chicken, fish, turkey, or organic grass-fed meats. Or if you're vegan or vegetarian, then you can include lentils, legumes, chickpeas, beans, or nuts and seeds for your protein source. Along with that, make sure you're eating vitamin C rich foods because that again supports the collagen production naturally in your body. For that, either you can do oranges, lemon, lime, or kiwi. Now, along with that, if you really want to boost your collagen production, then you can add a collagen protein powder. Now, there is a particular way of using this collagen protein powder, and I have made another video how to use collagen protein powder in the right way. The link will be in the description for you to watch it. So that was day 4, improving your collagen to support your skin health. Now let's move on to day 5. Day 5 is deep sleep for skin repair. When your body goes into deep sleep, it repairs your skin of any damage that happens to the skin throughout the day. And most people are not getting enough deep sleep phase. So day in and day out, that damage to the skin accumulates. And that's the reason skin looks dull and puffy the next morning. So to get deep sleep, here are a couple of things you can do. Make sure you do not consume any caffeinated beverages after 5 o'clock in the evening. Second of all, switch off all the screens, including your mobile phones, laptops, and televisions at least 1 hour before your bedtime. Third, before your bedtime, actually, you can consume either some almonds or walnuts or some coconut milk. These have tryptophan compounds which actually improve your sleep quality. And along with that, you can consume a magnesium glycinate supplement in the dosage of 3 to 500 milligrams, which is going to immensely improve your sleep quality. So that was day 5, getting deep sleep so you can repair your skin properly. This 5-day protocol works on your body at different ways and different angles. So it can reduce inflammation in your body that directly affects your skin and improves your skin quality immensely. What you start on day 1 to day 5, you can continue doing it on the daily basis because you're going to realize it is really good for your body, specifically for your skin health. What people typically notice after completing this day 5 is that they will feel less puffiness, less inflammation on their skin. They will also notice that the skin is becoming less dull and more glowy. But if you continue this 5-day protocol for the next 3 to 4 weeks, you are going to see immense benefits from it because it is going to slowly reduce inflammation and repair the damage which your skin has sustained for several years now. So from starting tomorrow, follow this 5-day protocol, which is completely natural but science-based and working on inside-out approach by healing your body and inflammation inside your body and then improving your skin health outside. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel before you leave so you keep on getting these healthy tips in the future also. Plus share this video with others who might benefit from it. So give this a try and share in the comment section what difference you saw on your skin health and in your body. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.